Hello everyone. Today we are going to make some sentences by using simple words. So let us begin. So the first word is house. 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 So the sentence is my house is big. My house is big. My house. House. Is big. Big. My house is big. The second word is play. 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 So the sentence is I like to play cricket. I like like TO2 PLAY play CRICKET cricket. I like to play cricket. Third word is boy. Boy. The sentence is the boy is eating mango. The boy. Is eating eating. Mango. The boy is eating mango. The next word is wall. WALL wall. The sentence is there is a clock on the wall. THERE there. Is a CLOCK clock. On. THE the. WALL wall. There is a clock on the wall. The fifth word is pen. Pen. I have 2 pens. HAVE have. TWO 2 PENS pens. I have 2 pens. The last word is bag. Bag. The sentence is my bag is heavy. My bag. Is HEAVY heavy. My bag is heavy. So children, today we made some sentences by using some simple words. Now read these sentences again and make some more sentences by using these words. Thank you.